Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. Let's start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings first of all, and then scroll to find display and brightness. Now we have to scroll down again to localize the eye care. So this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And of course we can turn it on without any kind of customization just by tapping on the switcher. And you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, the colors are a little bit dull, so the contrast is not really that high. So in order to customize it, we have to tap on this eye care, and let's start with the intensity. By going to the left with the switcher, we can set it on the coolest option, so the eye care mode is not really that visible, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer and more visible, of course. So just set it just like you want to on the option which is the most comfortable for you. What is more, you can custom the schedule, so the off option which is currently applied is a manual option. You have to manually turn it on and off. You've got also the custom schedule, so after tapping on it you can choose manually the start and the end time according to your liking, of course, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, so basically it means that your device will recognize when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and it will apply the eye comfort mode when possible and when needed. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And basically this is the whole customization of this eye care or eye comfort mode. And if you want to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll fully this section to find proper icon. So the eye care is right here. We have to simply tap on it to apply the option and tap on it again to turn it off completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.